Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a super moist and delicious banana chocolate cake. So if you have some overripe banana sitting on your counter, it's the perfect recipe for them. Let's get started! The ingredients are super easy, that's what all you need. So in this recipe, we need 3 bananas all day. So first, mash the banana in a bowl with a fork or whatever you have. Okay, like this. It's okay to have some small chunks, like they will give the cake extra texture. Okay, next we add sugar, eggs, and milk, and mix them until fully combined. Just like this. Looks beautiful. Okay, then add the melted butter and mix them well. Okay, so far so good. Okay, that's super easy, right? Okay, step 2. Let's put flour, baking soda, and baking powder together. Okay, good, perfect. Then we need a spatula and fold it gently into the wet mixture until there's no dry flour left. The banana smells so good. Okay, like this. Remember, don't over mix because you want the cake soft and fluffy. Good. And then, if you like, you can add some walnut, big chunk walnut, or any nuts you like, and chocolate chunks. Fold them together. Okay, done. Now you can start reheat your oven. Then you just need to put everything into your mold. Just make sure they're even, they're flat. Okay, the last thing I like is to decorate on the top. You can put some walnut, chocolate chunks. See? And banana. I like put some oats too on the top, just for extra texture and flavor. Okay, there we go. Don't put too much. Okay, now it's time to bake it.